Non-stick skillet constructed with durable aluminum and a hard anodized exterior coating. ANSI certified and PFOA-free. Multi-layer, non-stick interior coating for easy food release and cleaning. Dual-riveted silicone handle stays cool to the touch and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Oven safe to 150 degrees, suitable for all stovetops except induction. Dishwasher safe. Dimensions: 12.5-inch circumference. An Amazon brand. Top reviews from the United States. The perfect pan for a pan-demic. This is a great pan. I needed new pans. My non-stick pans were T-fal. Very good to me for many years, but worn out. I read many reviews of many pans. Many reviews would rave on a pan, then others would say they suck. This pan had the best reviews, so I took a chance. Wow. I didn't realize how bad my pans were until I got this one. This pan is durable and heats evenly. I use it at least twice a day. Easy to clean, wipe with paper towel or a quick scrub with hot water, soft, brush, a dab of soap. Nothing sticks. I can use less oil when cooking. I like that the flat cooking surface is very large. I can cook a fried egg on one side and a scramble on the other. I can tell it's gonna be great for pancakes. Just make sure you read the instructions that come with it and season the pan before use to make the non-stick magic happen.